Person. O great sage, I am lost in my troubles. Please help me find peace. Buddha, calmly. Tell me, what burdens your heart? Person. I am burdened by the weight of expectations, and I fear failure at every step. Buddha. Listen, and let my words be a balm to your soul. Life is full of challenges, but suffering comes from within. Buddha. Just as a traveler lightens their load by letting go, so too can you find peace by releasing your burdens. Buddha. The path to peace lies in understanding the impermanence of life and the nature of suffering. Embrace the present moment, for it is all we truly have. Person. I understand now. My troubles are temporary, and I can find peace within myself. Person. Thank you, wise one, for showing me the way to peace. Buddha. Go forth with a peaceful heart, and may your journey be filled with light. Like and subscribe my channel for more inspiring videos.